Hello everybody, this is Tuli coming at you with vocab words on furniture in the home. Hjemmets møbler. Spisebord. Spisebord. Stol. Stol. Køkkenbord. 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 Sofa. Sofa. Seng. Seng. Reol. Reol. Hylde. 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 Lampe. Lampe. Håndvask. Håndvask. Skrivebord. Skrivebord. Gardin. 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 Køkkenskab. Køkkenskab. Garderobe. Garderobe. Robe. Garderobe. Natbord. Natbord. Toilet. Toilet. Brusebad. 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 Havemøbler. 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 Bænk. Bænk. I hope these vocab words were useful. Have a listen at it a few times, practice this vocabulary, and good luck with your Danish journey.